we are, anong apo digdi? This is the process of our research defense. 1 p.m. po kami ma-defense. So, hindi po ginigibo kang group 2, 3. 3. Kami, group 2 kami, pero pang-apat kami. So, yan. Ang group 2, arog-arog lang kayan, turog. Pero ini pa man pala nagbabasa. This. Oh. Apag kagaling. Yan, tama yan. Salamat pagpagyapot ka kung ano, ilago ko. Ikaw bahala. I-post mo ni sa YouTube. I-post mo sa YouTube. Baka nagdadala sa YouTube mo. Mayo, kumbaga, ano lang, pero nakapublic para kapag in the next 30 years. Pag group 2 ay 4, chill lang kami, chill. Chilling like a queen. Oh, gather pala. Research lang yan, research. Group 4. Group 2. Group ano ka? 4. Ikaw? Ginagawa ninyo, ba't di ko yung nag-ano? Chill-chill ako. Turo. Ay, uy, apaka-busy naman ng group.
The sampling technique using qualitative research is snowball sampling because this technique is suitable for reaching a target population that may be challenging to access through other sampling methods. Why I choose snowball? I choose snowball sampling because it allowed me to access a hard-to-reach population, specifically students who experience a suspension during specific period.
Sa inyo.
This technique enabled to collect data
Anong part?
from participants who are
Okay.
readily
Anong part?
contactable and willing to share their experience.
Anong part?
The respondents were
Ano ba?
selected based on their
Chapter 2? Chapter 3.
experience of class suspension during their grade 10 year. They were also chosen for the willingness to participate in the study and share their experiences. Lastly, my respondents were carefully selected to participate in the study.
Script.
Thank you. For the research instrument, also data gathering procedure,
Nag-ano naman ka mo. Popost ko na sa YouTube.